Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to talk about a new indicator. If you follow my instructions and use this strategy, I'm sure you won't lose your capital. Watch the whole video to learn how this indicator works and how to use it correctly without any losses. By subscribing to my channel, you'll have access to profitable indicators and be able to avoid losses. Let's start the trading video. Here, we observe the candle strongly breaking the green MA line and the support line to the downside. We confirm the trade from this point. Once again, we have a signal from the sellers. We notice resistance above. In the oscillator, the pink line has touched the dotted line and begun moving downwards. When the market is moving down strongly and returns to touch the red MA line for the first time, it presents a good opportunity to trade with the sellers. With this indicator, we can clearly identify when to go for a trend reversal. As demonstrated here, the candles have broken the red MA line. Just like I did, we confirm the trade with the oscillator before proceeding. In this case, the red line changed to green after passing through the silver color and breaking the line of green dots, moving upwards. Now, we have confidence in going with the buyers. Okay, I think you have understood the signals of this indicator very well. Take care and see you in the next video with another good indicator. Bye!